Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a MovieBox Pro invitation code using the correct and approved methods. No scams, no fake links. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support the channel. Alright, let's get started. First things first, MovieBox Pro isn't available on any official app stores like Google Play or the App Store. That means you can't just download it and sign up directly. The invitation code is what allows you to create an account. It's basically the developer's way of controlling who can join the platform. Without a valid code, you won't be able to log in or start using the app. So it's important to know the right way to get one. Method 1. Request from the official MovieBox Pro website. Go to the official MovieBox Pro site and look for an option to request an invitation code. Usually, you'll be asked to enter your email address, and after submitting, you'll just need to wait until they send you a code. This process can take a while, so be patient. It's the safest and most reliable way to get access. Method 2. Follow MovieBox Pro's official Instagram. Sometimes, the team shares invitation codes or hosts giveaway events on their social channels. This is a great way to stay updated and improve your chances of getting a code quickly. Method 3. Ask someone who already has an account. Existing users often get a limited number of invite codes that they can share with others. If you know a friend or someone online who already uses MovieBox Pro, politely ask if they have an extra code to share. Once you've received your invitation code, head back to the MovieBox Pro website or open the app. During the sign-up process, simply enter the code, create your account, and you'll be all set to start using MovieBox Pro. And that's it. Easy, safe, and completely legitimate. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.